Yan, so just paste the link ng Neopreneur and then dito nakalagay yung sign up as user. So pag mag-encode ng service provider, ang i-click po is sign up as service provider. Ayan, and then click I understand and continue. So sa personal info, ito yung first step, no? So ilagay lang yung first name ni service provider, last name, ayan, then username, pwedeng yung name lang din mismo ni service provider. So sa religion, pwedeng no preference. And then email address. So sa email address po na nilagay na yan, dyan po isa-send yung Zoom link for the interview. Then contact number. Tapos ano yung skills or category ni service provider. Location ni service provider or taga saan po siya. Yan, and then what city. Okay, and then sa password, pwede pong ang ilagay nyo na lang is default na 1234567 8. So step 2 po is uploading naman ng documents. So dito ilalagay natin yung mga TESDA NC2, COE or recommendation letter. Pili lang po kayo dun sa tatlo. And then NBI or police clearance. And yung valid ID po, government ID. So upload and continue. After nyan is magsaselect po kayo ng interview date and preferred time. Okay? So confirm schedule lang. Yan. So once the application po ay okay na, nakalagay po dito is we will review your upload documents ng 24 to 48 hours and then makaka-receive po kayo ng Zoom link sa service provider dun sa email na nilagay niya para sa interview schedule. And once approved, saka po nila ma-access yung app.